What is up, Automobuilders? Welcome back to another episode. We have had a crazy week behind us, and it's just been an interesting story, that's for sure. The coolant line on the Jeep blew out, which was just a freak situation because the Jeep's newer than this. And look at this ridiculousness. This hose blew out right there, completely just started spraying coolant all over my car, Jeep. And that's what I get for racing BMWs on the highway. Well, anyway, I replaced the coolant line with some good old Gates rubber hose. And then I filled it, and I thought maybe I was lucky and I didn't add very much coolant because it didn't go down. Go figure, there was a bunch of air in the system, which I should have expected. So I went to get a burrito. I got stuck. At least I had a burrito, I guess, but that sucked. And when I got home finally, I did it the right way. I was trying to be lazy by purging the air through the radiator cap, which is what you do on old schools. But this new school crap, there's like actually a bleeder valve in the water pump. Who'd have thunk it? I didn't think it. So I just wasted a bunch of time and extra coolant, I guess. Yeah, so anyway, that's all good and working order now. I got hot heat out of the heater. Jeep doesn't overheat anymore, which is good. And we're back working on this SOB with the DOG and the TABLE, whatever. Stop being weird. Yeah, so let's get into it. All right, we're back. We are going to move stuff. We're removing stuff. So we got to take all these clips off here, each of these. And then there's some clips on the bottom of the bumper we also have to take off, and then some screws, and then some other things that hold the panel in right here. Done it a million times, gonna do it 1,000,001. Yeah, at this point, that's one thing I know how to do. Oh, that's good stuff. Good stuff. So, we'll just pluck these boys one at a time. Nice thing about these clips is they don't actually break very well or very much. So, easy work. Throw these in a small baggie here, like so. Uno, dos, tres. Easy work. Just annoying work. I think that's the case for most car stuff. It's easy, but annoying. That's normal. Let's keep working our way through here. Until we're all done. Oh shit. Well, I dropped a clip. That's okay, it's in the bumper. We'll get it when we pull the bumper off. We just gotta remember that there's a clip down there. And if I lose it, that's fine because I got extras somewhere. It'll take longer to find them than it will to put it back. Funny. Funny enough. Alrighty. This is just going to be front bumper hardware. Yeah. Here, you can have that.
wanna say hi, Callie? Wanna say hi? Can you sit down? Can you shake? Can you other paw? Oh, good girl. Or you just gonna keep switching, huh? Because you know what happens. You get food after that. She's smart. Such a smart dog. Such a smart, pretty dog. Yeah, good girl. We're just working on a car. Just like normal. We'll get your eye boogies out of there. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. You shake one more? Good girl. Oh, you wanna play? You wanna play now? No biting. Okay. No, that's not nice. That's not a nice dog. That's not nice dog behavior. Well, that was weird. I didn't mean to shut the camera off, but I accidentally did. Got one more clip out. Here it is. Just so you know I'm telling the truth. And yeah, I was saying we should probably actually move these tires back the other direction when we're doing this, but these outside clips are pretty easy to take off either way. So I figure I'm gonna do that. Oh, it's because I said the OFF word and take. You probably thought I said turn. And I have like the voice prompt crap turned on. Because I never use it and never turned it off. I forgot it has that in it. So I bet you it thought I told it to, you know, TURNOFF. It's like a little kid. Little kids in the room don't say a naughty word. Bam! There we are. Got all of our little clips and stuff out. And you know what we do with these? We put them in here, just like the rest of them. Now we won't lose anything. Because that's the worst part, is when you're putting crap back together. You don't have the crap to put it back together. You're like, where'd it go? Like maybe the lost one in the front bumper here. Maybe we can get that sucker to fall out. There it is. I love it when that happens. It's like the meme. It's like the meme, you're happy when you hear it hit the ground. But not when it's in the engine bay. Nope. Oh, that feels good. A little dirty. Just kidding. Just kidding. Yeah, so we get the rest of this bumper taken off. And next episode, probably next weekend, because essentially I got to lift the front end up. Once all this is out of the way, it's going to be a lot easier. I got to lift the front end up and then drain all the coolant, which is exactly what I spent all weekend doing this weekend with my other car, the Jeep. Because like I said earlier, I blew a coolant line. It's ridiculous. I can't believe this. Like, this rubber hose, first of all, it's shaped like a candy cane. Probably doesn't taste very good. But how does that happen? You know, from like, okay, from where my pinky is up, I cut that. So that wasn't part of the blowout. But this whole slit right here, that just like failed because of the pressure. It's a 2018 with 60,000 miles on it. Like, it just blows my mind that they would use this crap on a, I don't know. I guess it's stupid to me because this is a 2006 5.7 and these two metal hoses back here are essentially what they replaced with rubber hoses and plastic elbows on the new 5.7 with VVT, which I really don't understand a lot. I mean, obviously they're trying to save money or be cheap. But I borderline thought about going to the hardware store and just buying like brass fittings and making my own heater core hose return line thing. Luckily I got it back together and it seems good. So unless it fails again, I'm just gonna leave it like that. But if it fails again, I'm ripping that whole damn thing out and replacing it with good hose from Gates, which used to be made in America and now it's made in Mexico. That'll probably change now this year, coming year, with proper leadership. Not saying, well, never mind. Anyway, that's all political bullshit. We don't get into that here. But yeah, we need more of this stuff made in America. I like to support American-made companies. I like to support local companies, but got some speed shops that are local, like English Racing and ETS Turbo Systems. But I don't drive a GTR or a DSM or the cars that they work on. My tuner's on the east coast. But I got a buddy out here on the west coast that's a good dude. Really knows his modern Mopar stuff. He helped build the billet valve body transmissions. You can't see, but I'm pointing at it. It's down there somewhere. Yeah, underneath. But yeah, he helped design that. He's got a cool budget. Calls it the budget bucket. It's like a turbocharged Magnum, which is kind of cool. Really similar to this car. I think it has the same engine. Same transmission, but his transmission's stock. He's got like 200K on the transmission, and I don't know how many passes. Just beats the crap out of it. And he's running like, I don't know what he's running in the quarter, like 9 or 10s, I want to say. It's moving out. It's quick for what it is. He didn't spend a ton of money on it. He got it going, but he knows what he's doing. That's what happens when you know what you're doing. It's not about the power it makes. It's about putting it on the ground, being able to use it. So with all this stuff out of the way, this is going to be a lot easier. And yeah, you'll see that in the next episode. We're going to get messy. We're going to be draining fluid all over the place. I got a new drip pan over here. We're going to put coolant in that one, oil in that one, because that one's already got oil in it. I got like almost a full gallon of coolant here. Another gallon over there. Probably need to order 2 more gallons because this holds like 14 quarts, 4 gallons, something like that. A lot. It holds quite a bit. And then I need to buy some more Royal Purple because I'm almost out of that. I need about 7 quarts of that. And then, yeah, we'll have, then it'll be really fun. You know, we'll have to pull the heads, and that'll be kind of interesting because some of the bolts on here are old. So we'll just be really careful doing that. But yeah, taking all the, I'm gonna have to pull that like whole wiring harness off, I think, because it looks like some of those are clipped to the top of the bolt like this, which is interesting. I understand why they do that, but I'll probably have to buy some replacement clips because I don't have those. My hands are dirty. Yep, I'm gonna go inside, wash my hands, and probably do a quick workout, shower, eat, and go to bed. And then we'll play more with this next time. I really appreciate y'all stopping by, as always, as usual. And yeah, eat your Wheaties or whatever. And we'll see you next time. See ya. Oh wait, time out. Hi, Callie. Bye, Callie. Love you. She's like, she's over it. She's over me talking to myself. She's like, why don't you talk to me, Dad? I'm right here. Love you, dog. Good girl. See y'all next time. Bye.